Hey guys, so here we are with another unboxing, and as you can see, this is another projector. This is a nice mini projector, native 720p. So this company is called GIMISONIC. It's their new 2019 model, and it's supposed to have 3,800 lumens. It's an LED projector, and it's it's compatible with your Xbox, Android, PS4, all the typical stuff. And on here it says 3.4 inch projector. And of course I got this in black. You can get a white color, but I just wanted something black so it's easier to hide. At the time of purchase, this was a little bit less than $100. So for 720p and under 100, that's a pretty good price. Of course, you get the typical power cable, typical composite cable. Here's a nice lens cover, but no string, which I wish they have strings so that you don't lose these. Here's the brick. Okay, huh? So the power is on the outside. Okay, well that's something different. So here you go. It's a power brick. And here's a typical simple remote. Sorry, get a bag here for you. And as you can see, it's just a typical remote. No volume, home, source. So this is just an unboxing. Afterwards, I'll do a video to kind of give you a test drive of how sharp the projector is. Let's take out the plastic here. Bam. So as you can see, it's very light. I mean, it's heavy enough for a projector, right? But it's light enough to carry. So it's, again, just like the remote, there's home button, power button, back, the arrow keys, and stuff. The finish on this is not bad. I mean, it's just typical plastic. Here's the venting. You stick a memory card in here, earphones, audio video, 2 HDMIs, and a USB. And on the back side, you get the typical VGA. And I love it when they have the LED. I mean the IR port, so they have one in front and one in the back. And I think this is a door where you can actually change out the filter, so that's pretty cool. Here's the power. Here's another vent and maybe the speakers on this side. And here's the focus ring. Oh, here's the focus ring, and then this is just the Keystone. And look at that. It's a good sized lens. That's maybe 3-inch lens. And just a typical bottom. It's a little leg to adjust the height. There's screws under here, which they actually tell you, which is pretty cool. And that's it. This is a very simple design. You can stick it in your theater and it'll kind of disappear, because it's not too flashy. It just gets the job done. Here's the lens cover. It's a remote. So let's go through the stats real quick. So the company is called GIMISONIC. It supports up to 1080p, but I think all projectors always says that. But the native resolution is 1280 by 720p, which basically means it's a 720p projector. It has brightness of 3,800 lumens, contrast ratio of 2000:1, which is good. Oh, so this has built-in autofocus, automatic focusing. That's cool. But the Keystone, it might be automatic too. So I'll test this in a little while, and I'll let you know how it goes. And of course, it plays all the typical formats of photos, audios, video playbacks of MP4, MPG, W, MV, AVI. It does like text documents, which is good. This machine weighs just a little bit over 1.1 kilograms. I forgot how to convert that to pounds, but I think it's pretty close to a little over a pound, I'm sure. But the lifespan is about 50,000 hours, which is a pretty long time. If you want to watch like 3 to 4 hours a day, that'll last you a couple years. So it claims to project up to 122 inch projection size at a 16:9 ratio or a 4.3 ratio, which is good that you can do 2 different type of ratios, right? So it just depends if you're watching a movie or watching like a football game. Projector distance is about 8.2 feet is the recommended viewing distance. And I think that's about it. Of course, this one comes with a 3-year warranty. Oh, that is pretty good. 100% money back guarantee, professional customer service, technical support. That's good when a company really stands behind their product. Or down here it actually says the weight is about 4 pounds. That could be true, I guess. Anyway, so look forward to my next video on this, and I'll do kind of like a quick rundown, and I'll show you like the menu setup and just how good quality of the projection is against the wall. And if you have any questions, any comments, or if you want me to test something out for you, just leave a comment below. And again, just make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video, opening something cool for you.